Good morning children. Welcome back to our class. Yesterday what you have learnt? Yesterday, do you remember? Yes, you have learnt about globe and maps, types of maps and different physical divisions or natural divisions of our world. Okay, what all the different types of divisions are there on earth and what are different types of maps. Everything you have learned clearly. Okay, are you waiting for the today's session? We have to go more deep into the maps, isn't it? Okay, today I am going to tell about elements of the map. So what are elements? Why do you want these elements? Children, to make a map, we need some elements which gives more information about the map. To learn map easily, it helps us a lot. Okay, what are the elements? I will tell you now. These are 5 elements, children. First one is title. Second one, north arrow. Third one, symbols. Fourth, legend or key. Fifth is scale. What are these? I will tell you now clearly. Title. What is the meaning of title? You know very well. Heading is also known as title. By seeing the title itself, you will understand what area is covering in the map and what type of map it is. Okay? Suppose, for example, you see this map. Here it is clearly given in the heading that India physical. Means in this map, you are going to study about physical features of the country called India. Means name of the place we are knowing and what type of map we are knowing in this by studying this. Now if you look at this map, it is also India. But what is given? Political. Means it is India's political map. Which type of map it is? Political map. In such a way, by seeing the heading, title itself, you will be clear that which type of map you are going to study. For example, this is just a state map, isn't it? Telangana state political map. By seeing the heading, you can understand that it is a state political map. Means title plays a major role. It gives a clear idea what you are going to learn in this map. Second one is north arrow. What is the second one? North arrow. When I am telling about north, you should know what it is north. It is a part of directions. We have 4 main directions, isn't it? Directions are 4 main directions, children. North, south, right side of this. That is east, this side west. So north, south, east, west are the 4 main directions. These are also known as cardinal directions. You know what is the meaning of cardinal? Most important. Cardinal means most important. As without directions, it is difficult for the map to locate any place. That is the reason directions play a major role. That's why those are known as cardinal directions. Even we have subdivisions, children, in between. North and east, we can tell it as northeast. Between south and east, this direction is known as southeast. Between north and west, this direction is known as northwest. Between south and west, this direction is known as southwest. First, you should compulsory and confidently know about the direction north. Always north will be pointing up. If you remember that, it is very easy for you to locate the places in the map. Now see this. Observe this. In this map, it is there N. Arrow it is showing and N is there. If you observe in this map also, arrow is there and N it is there. Means N means what? The direction north is upside. Always when you hold the map, when you do the map, you have to see the direction, then only you have to study the map. Suppose if I give any work for you, map work I ask you to locate continents in the world map. If you hold like this map, it is wrong. You have to check whether you are seeing this arrow or not. If you hold like this and if you do map pointing, if you locate places, then you are correct. Okay. Compulsory this direction, north direction, you have to keep it in mind while doing the map. pointing when you are doing or when you are studying the map, it is utmost important point because directions play the prominent role in the study of the map. Our third element is symbols. See children, in map we are reducing the size so smaller. As Earth is huge, India is a very vast country, but we are reducing the size into a very smaller area. We are showing it a sheet of paper. So, by using some symbols, it is making us to study the map on a sheet of paper very easily. That much vast area we are learning, studying in the small sheet of papers. So, it is symbols is nothing but a signs or some pictures which we use in the map which represent the real world. Which represent the real something there in the real world. That is the reason why symbols plays a prominent role. I will show you some symbols later. First let me complete the other. Legend or key. Legend or key explains what symbol stands for. Which symbol stands for what? Legend explains us. And key. Key, the word itself is telling that it is showing you the key to the way how to learn the map. Without key, if I was unable to do the map studying or looking, whatever we are doing to study map, key is important. Without key, it is very difficult for us children. That is the reason why legends are key is to study, to get information, to understand map easily. Key will explain us. Last one is scale. As I said, scale. Last element is scale. You might have observed I wrote 1:100. I will tell why I have written like this 1:100. What is a scale? Anyhow, you are doing mathematics, geometry you will do. You are using daily scale in your geometry box, isn't it? So, scale means what? A measuring unit, a measuring device, isn't it? So, why scale need in our map? Here topic, as we are drawing a map in a very smaller size. Earth is a very huge, large area. We are showing it in a very smaller quantity. We are reducing the size into very smaller and we are putting on the map. So when we are reducing, we can't draw as if you want. Like this. This just I drew. With a free hand I drew. So this is a sketch map. This is just a rough map. This is just a sketch map. But real cartographers who are doing the studying about maps and who are drawing maps, they are not doing like that. They are compulsory taking it into the view the specific units, specific scale they will take and they will draw the map. It is scale acts as a link between area, how much area it is taking in the map, to the how much area it is in on the land. How much area it is taking in the land, that distance, and how much distance we are taking on the map. That is the barrier. Scale is showing us the barrier. It is acting as a link between this distance on map to the distance on the earth. That is the reason why it is plays a prominent role. However you want, we can't draw the scale, children. So here I told 1:100. What does it mean? It means 1 centimeter on the map equal to 1 meter on the ground. Here, if you see here, 1 centimeter on the map, if you take, it is equal to 1 meter on the ground, children. In this way, scale will help us to reduce the map in a so that no elements, no real features of the earth is missed. As far as possible, all the elements of the real earth should cover in the map. That is the most important thing they will take into consider and they will draw the map. They will not forget any of the feature. So every elements are important for us while drawing a map because it shows all the features of the real earth. They will not miss any of the thing by giving symbols, by giving legends, by using colors. Even colors also play a prominent role, children. Those are also acts as a symbols. Here if you see, you can see different colors. By seeing that colors, we can understand the map easily. Here also different colors you can see. By that also we can understand the map easily. And so I will show you some colors. Like yesterday, again we will repeat how colors helpful to us. How colors are useful, and by seeing colors how can we identify which physical features are there. Brown, different shades of brown will tell that it tells the elevation. It tells the elevation. Elevation means what? Hills we have. Earth has hills, earth has mountains. Means how the darker the color is, that much higher the mountain peaks are. When it is snow-covered mountains, we will represent in white or purple color. As snow-covered mountains are white, generally we will represent in white color. Or purple color also we will use to represent the snow-covered mountains. Suppose elevation is less, those are less hills, not mountains, hills. Those we can represent in light brown color. Suppose green represents what? Trees. It's absolutely clear that green represents trees. So whether plains are there or grasslands, forest, so we will represent this all with the different shades of green. Green represents leaves, green represents greenery, isn't it? That is the reason you can understand easily by whether they are representing plains or grasslands like this. Plains, sloping plains, grasslands, those are represented by the green color. And water bodies, you are very perfect. Water always in globe we are seeing right from the 4th class on globe. Blue represents water bodies. Blue represents water bodies. So different shades of blue to represent different depth. It represents the depth, children. Like light brown, dark brown represents the elevation. Blue represents the depth of the ocean, depth of the sea. So light color blue, if you have observed light blue on the map, means it shows those are shallow water bodies. Not much deeper, those are shallow water bodies. If you observe dark blue, you can, by seeing dark blue on the map, you will get to know that those area is deep, very deep, very depth. That ocean is very depth. So colors also play a major role. They too acts as a symbols to study the map easily. I will show you some symbols, children, so that while locating map, it is very easy for you to understand the map. Suppose in key, if you see this symbol, you want to locate what it is. The symbol means capital of a country. Means if you see the symbol wherever in the world map, you will understand that, oh, capital of a country is located over there, and you can identify easily. That's why you should be perfect with the symbols. Those are also known as conventional symbols, children, because those are universally accepted. Not in only our country that this symbol means this. It's not that. Universally those are accepted. So wherever, whichever map, whichever country you went and go and study also, this meaning will be the same. If triangle you find, it represents delta. If map, when you are reading, if you see triangles, you will understand that this is a delta region. If circle, if you see, it is a city. If you see this symbol, it is called railways. Means railway track is there. Dam. On rivers, dams are built, isn't it? So if you see this picture, you will understand that their dam is situated. Winds. Peak. Peak means what's a mountain peak. High mountain peaks are represented in triangle shape only, but it is fully shaded, black shaded. Forest. If you see the tree picture, you will understand that, oh, this is the forest area. Capital of a state is represented with a circle inside a dark circle. RS means railway station. PS, police station. National highways. How national highways are represented on the map, children? Like road-like shape between NH1. I wrote NH1. Means this is national highway 1. Just state highways, suppose. 2 lines, parallel lines. So these are some of the conventional symbols. Children, listen. Now this much you became perfect regarding the maps, study of maps, physical map, political, everything you learned, isn't it? Now I got one doubt. Yesterday when I am going to my relative's house in Ola car, I am going. I watched the driver is nicely tapping that his mobile, or he is touching the screen, or touching the button, and he is nicely viewing the wherever we are going. I can view easily. He is also taking according to the direction, and he reached me in to my relative's house within a less time, because now is a digital world, isn't it? You need not carry even physical map always with you. Digital, our technology is developed so much that in a hand we can see whole world map, isn't it? This digital world, iPhones, touch screens, phones, everything has made it so fast that we are seeing whole world in the just a press button. By pressing a button, we are able to see the whole world. By the Google map, we are seeing the whole world maps, our country map, our state map, our route map. If you want to go somewhere to house, just now with route only, we are touching and increasing the scale. Zoom, they are doing zoom, and the size is increasing. The scale of a map is increasing, and not only the virtual, but it is interactive also. It will tell that turn right, turn left, you are in street number 10, you should take 100 meters far our destiny to reach it very soon. So it will make us the way easy and shortcut. It does not take in a long way. It gives the shortcut journey, and it interactive also very nice. Really, I felt very happy by seeing that digital camera, and I went to my friend's house. So means very less time I reached. So you people are computer children. I hope you will also find something new after growing up. You should invent. You should rock in your future, isn't it, children? I wish you the best of luck. So this is the first topic, globe and maths, we completed today. Thank you.